Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vanguard index funds. First, you'll need to open an investment account with Vanguard, such as a brokerage account or an IRA. Next, fund your account with an initial deposit, which is often around $3,000 for many funds. This initial step sets the foundation for your investment journey, allowing you to access Vanguard's diverse offerings and begin building your portfolio with their low-cost index funds. Once your account is funded, it's time to select your index funds. Vanguard offers a wide range, including total stock market funds and S&P 500 index funds. Consider your investment goals, whether it's long-term growth or income, and your risk tolerance. Diversifying across different market sectors or asset classes is crucial for a balanced portfolio, helping to mitigate potential risks and enhance overall stability. With your funds chosen, you can now place buy orders through your Vanguard account. Many investors find it beneficial to set up automatic investments, allowing for consistent contributions over time without manual effort. Remember to periodically review your portfolio's performance and rebalance it if necessary. This ensures your asset allocation remains aligned with your financial objectives and risk profile, keeping your investments on track. For optimal results, adopt a long-term investment strategy with your Vanguard index funds. Patience allows compounding to work its magic, significantly growing your wealth over decades. Avoid frequent trading, as this can incur unnecessary transaction costs and potential tax implications. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Consistent investing and a disciplined approach are key to achieving your financial goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.